You are on to Grace Adelego TV.
Came to the new bus. Sometimes. Oh my god, this is from my husband. I'm expecting a package. I'm expecting a package soon, so I'm going upstairs. I'm soon step up. The meals. I'm expecting package from DMV for my accents, guys. And don't let me say I'm disappointed again. My son is already dressed. See him on the chair watching TV. Did I close that door? Let me see. My neighbor's dog is just barking because he heard a foot step. Yeah, I came back to check. Maybe I locked the door. So I'm going out, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Let me especially thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos so far during this vlogmas. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I'm breathing so heavily because I just climbed the stairs. Dominion, let me give you your water. Thank you guys. I want to sincerely appreciate you for watching my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for sharing my videos out, and please always give me thumbs up. So just a quick update. I'm trying to get my ID because I just went to the DMV to change my ID recently to my new name, which is Grace Adelego, Grace Alao Adelego. So the last time I tried to fix my AdSense, YouTube told me that I should use a name that corresponds with the name I'm using, with the name I submitted, which is Grace Adelego. So I'm looking forward to what's it called, DMV, to send me this email because they told me within 45 days. So I pray it comes before the end of this vlogmas because I'm highly expectant to fix this AdSense on my videos back. So thank you guys for always stopping by. So I will carry you guys along. I'll see you at the store. I'm also going to the hospital, but I'm not going to carry you along in that place because I know it's always very stressful for me with my son. I will see you at the store. I want to pick some few things for tonight's dinner. So see you then, guys. Bye. Guys, I forgot to show you what I've been buying. Oh my god, I completely forgot. So I've been buying some things which I will show you now. This is Walmart. I'm in Walmart. Just a quick one. These are what I bought. And the menu is here. I want to buy mango. These are the groceries. What's this? Let me try it out. I don't even know what that is. I want to buy mango. I saw a mango the other time. Dominion! Dominion, no. Dominion, no. Guys, let me just show you the mango. Yeah, let me go and buy it. Yeah, Yeah. I used to buy two, just two. Sometimes my husband eats it, he doesn't eat. So let me see what I'm going to buy. It's in this Dominion. So these are the groceries. I don't used to like this potato, and I want to buy potato. I'm in love with avocado these days, so let me pick some before I go. So I picked four, just four. So Obi just called me now that Divine has pajamas day tomorrow in school. So luckily I'm still in Walmart. I have to just get her some pajamas. Oh my god, I don't know. So I have to get her one because she can't definitely wear the old ones. So let me go to the children's section. Guys, I've been going all about since my things I got and the groceries I did. This is how I do my thing. I can't use the cart. Sometimes I just use roller and put my things. So let me see what I have to buy for her here. So guys, we're still here. Mother would see my dress. This is definitely not a guys, I'm done with my shopping. I can't find my cow. Jesus, and it's really cold. You can see my eyes dropping water. Okay, I found it. Finally found it. Wow, it's down there. down there. Right there. Jesus. Good mama. Jeez. Yeah. It's dropping water. See me. It's so cold outside. Let me just turn on the car now. I turned it on. So I can now put Dominion on the guys. I'm home. So I bought chicken for tonight's wrap and butter. Finally I bought butter so that I can make a meat pie and yogurt for the ham. This left for the wrap.
Hello, look at my hat. Mommy bought my hat.
I know.
For me.
I know, thank you.
And then juice for me.
I bought some juice for them. Then almond milk for myself. And it's been a while I ate butter. So I'm like, let me buy butter today.
We have butter.
The juice I got for the kids.
And this one.
The one leave. Then strawberries.
From
This.
blueberry.
Then avocado. Avocado this. And 2 mangoes. I showed you guys the other time.
Mango. Yummy mango.
some green beans. So I want to quickly prepare noodles now for Dominion and Divine because we are eating wrap for the night. I'm not sure they'll be just wrap. So I'll put this.
Guys, look, mommy bought my
Divine, can you just keep quiet?
She's always into my videos. So I bought pajamas for her. They have pajamas days in school tomorrow. So I'm not even sure. I just bought this too because I don't know which she's going to wear. She has some at home, but we are like, we should buy a new one. Take. So those are the things I bought. I want to quickly prepare noodles now before I. You want some? Okay. Mine said she wants wrap. I was like, I don't want to prepare wrap for her, but now she says she wants. So I'll break the egg. It's almost done for a bit. I want to be fast. Don't break any. Yes.
You want to break the egg?
I'll put a bit of butter for them.
Mommy, it hurts my head.
Yeah, remove it.
It hurts.
Yeah, remove it.
I remove it. I don't like it.
This for them. Spring onions, just a bit. You hear that? She said she doesn't like spring onions. I left these things here because I'm using it for our wrap. And this, let me put this. I love you too. I love you too. Divine. Whenever I buy anything for her, she'll be like, Mommy, when she came to meet me downstairs, she was like, Mommy, oh, you bought something for me. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Now she's saying she loves me again. I love you. I have a cotton bud here. This is a cotton bud. I want Dominion to start eating on his own. So I got a plate for him, which I will show you guys. Divine, where is the plate I got for Dominion? Because I didn't see it here. Can you bring it for me, please? So it's so fast because I use boiled water. So this is the plate I got for Dominion. So I'm going to start using it for him tonight. I want him to eat. When the food is cool enough, he's going to eat by himself. So I got this for, I can't even find the price. I think it's $6. Look at it. $6. I'll put a bit of dry pepper. If it's too spicy, then we'll not use this for me. I just want to put thyme and curry. I'll put a little bit for them. And this. I don't use all my seasons. I don't give them. I think this is the first time I'm going to give a Domino noodles. I'll just use 2 for them because they are little children. So I'll put this. Let me wash my hand. Who is like me? Anything I want to do, I'll wash my hand. Oh God! So I want to put the. I want to put the green beans. The green beans. The one is good for you. It's good for your health. So I put the onions, the green onions. Breaking the egg. I just want to capture everything I'm doing. That's why the camera is fine. So the mini I want to eat now. I nearly got in this. The ones Divine used during her own period. Probably I've packed it to Nigeria while I was shipping. So I got another one for the mini. Let's just eat. He's hungry. And this is your food. Let's be on your food.
Baba, what avocado?
You say you don't want the other time. You see, Divine? When I was asking her, did she want it? The minute
Describe to my shadow.
You have to pray before eating. Father, sanctify this food in Jesus' name. Let's establish His body in Jesus' name. We pray. So, let me see. Maybe this thing is sticky. Oh my God! I'm not sure this thing is sticky though. You see, I told you that Dominion loved this. So let's see, maybe it's going to.
Guys, I just come back from school, so I just come back from school, guys.
Dominion, you eat it one by one. Can you please pause the TV because I don't want copyright in my video. Reduce the volume, please. Reduce it totally. Food? Yeah. And you're not eating on your table. Eat on your table, please. I don't want that shirt to be messed up. You have to come and eat it here. Come to the dining and eat. Let me see you eating before you watch TV. And mind you, you just have 30 minutes for that TV. After that, you come and do your work. You write again today, okay?
Yes, and I'm not take my name to school.
Okay, sit down and eat, please. So Dominion is eating his food.
Oh no.
Let's see.
Yeah.
And I will see maybe he's going to eat these noodles with egg. No, Dominion, finish that one first. You just want to eat everything.
Okay, Baguette. Where is the music? Where is
Divine, you're not doing music. Let me get you water. You're not doing music, okay?
I'm listening to the music to me.
So it's a food.
Eggs are not good. I like eggs and noodles.
Who said egg is in your noodles? Who said that? It's you know.
Feed me, mommy.
You know, how do you feed your brother? You can feed yourself.
They were using this for the menu. Are we going to
Sit down.
Are
Eat
we
your
going
food,
to
please.
turn this back to Walmart? No way, yes.
Do you It's not time to talk. It's time to eat.
It's time to talk.
Divine, you're playing. You're not eating.
That's a, what's this?
Let me feed you. So finally, I found a way to give my son noodles, and this is the first time of eating noodles for him. We don't eat it every time, just once in a while. Even Divine just started eating from school because they give them in school. She doesn't like it before.
I didn't notice to school. No, I don't. I didn't notice to school either.
Eat your food.
I eat oatmeal to school.
He's eating his green beans again. This video here. Thank you guys for watching our eat with me tonight and grocery shopping that I did, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always stopping by to watch our videos.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing my videos out each time I upload. Thank you everyone. I appreciate you. To my new subscribers, thank you. And to you watching without subscribing, I hope you subscribe to join this beautiful family.
Have a
If
thumbs
you
up, guys.
like what to see. Okay guys, see you in my next video.
Have a thumbs
Bye.
up. Have a thumbs up, guys.
She will not allow me to
my
talk.
channel.
You will have your channel by next year, but not now. Not this year.